Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Now it is your maths class. We are doing chapter 2, numbers 200 to 1000. We will be doing today 401 to 500. In your previous class, you have finished till numbers 400. So we will start with 400 to 500. So I hope you all are sitting with your notebook, pencil and eraser. So let's see the chart. So from 401, 402, you can see, you all will repeat, loudly read 403, 404, 405, 406, 407, 408, 409, 410. Like this, what will come after 410? 411. Yes. Repeat. Just look at the numbers and go on reading. So 420 you will reach. Like that 421, 422. Slowly, repeat the numbers. Reached 430. After 430 what will come? 431. Then 432. Then have you reached 437? Yes, then 440, 441, 442, like this go on, repeating the numbers. Reached, how much you have reached? 460 you have reached. Slowly or fast you are reading. So after 460 what will come? 461. 462. Yes, you have to reach till 480. Then after 480 I will start. After 480, 481. Yes, 482. Like this, keep counting. Then 489, 490. That is 490. Then 491, 492. Yes, keep on counting. You will reach 498, 499. Then 500. That is 500. So in your notebook, you will write the numbers 401 to 500. Okay. Now we will see this worksheet. See, boxes are there. You have to fill the boxes. Many places are empty. You have to count and write. Now let's see. The first one is box is empty. So what you will write there? 401, that is 401. After that 402, 403 is already written. So you have to keep counting and you will reach up to 410. After 410 again 411, 412. Keep on counting. See, in between there is 418 written. After 418 you will write 419. Then 420. After 420, 421. Yes. Then like that 422, 423. Again you can see 424 is written and you have to write till complete the box, that line up to 430. Then see 431 is written. So after 431 what will come? 432. So keep counting and write, finish it. Then you will reach till 440. After 440, 441, 442. Like this, keep on writing. See, 445 is written. So after 445, what will come? 446. Yes. So like this, you will complete this chart. You will fill the boxes. And here you can see the last, it is ending with 500. So before 500, what will come? 500, what will come? 499. That is 499. Okay? You all can finish it? Very good. Now let's see what's the next chart is. All can see the chart. Here we will do skip counting of 10. So 10, 20, yes, go on repeating after me. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. See, 100 is written. After that, you have to jump 10. Skip counting of 10 we are doing. 100. So after that 110. 120. You will count like this. Don't say 130, 140. No. You will say 130. 140 like this. See, you will reach up to 190. Then 200. So after 200, what will come? 210. Keep counting. 220. Then you will reach 290. What will come after 290? 300. After 300, 310, 320. Yes. 380 you will reach. 390. Then 400. Read after 400. 410. 420. Yes. Keep on counting. 470. You will reach 480. 490. After 490 you will come to 500. Okay. This also you will practice. You will write in your notebook. What you will write? Skip counting of 10. Till number 500. From 10 you will begin and you will end with 500. Okay? Understood? You can do now? Very good. Now, I will read the numbers. You will write the number names. You all know the number names now. So, you can write now the big number names also. So, I will say 10. You can see here T-E-N is written. You all know the spelling of 10. Okay? I will say 10. You will write T-E-N 10. Ready? After 10, 20. Now, in front of 20 you will write. In front of that you will write T-W-E-N-T-Y. Okay, now understood? 30, 40, 40. Now what is the spelling of 40? Don't confuse with the spelling 40, F-O-R-T-Y. Many times you write the spelling of 4, F-O-U-R-T-Y. No, it is wrong. You will write 40, F-O-R-T-Y. Okay? Now write 50. In 50 also you do the same mistake. You write the spelling of 5, F-I-V-E. No, it is wrong. You will write F-I-F, fifth, and then T-Y, 50. Over 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That is 100, 100. Now after 100, you will write 200. See, 200 is written. So you will write the spelling of 2, T-W-O, and then write 100, 200. Next one is 300, 300. Then write 300. 400. Write the spelling of 4 and then 100. Then the last one is 500. 500 and spelling is F-I-V-E 5 and 100. Is it okay? You can write like this. Very good. You will write it. Now, in your notebook, you have to write the number names 400 to 500. We have finished till 400. You will begin with 401 to 500. See, note it down in your copy. Number names 400 to 500. You will write the number names in your neat and clean handwriting. Shall we start? Have a look here. See 401, that is 401. And in front of that, you will write like this. 4, you will write the spelling of 4. Then 100, you all know the spelling now. And 1, O-N-E, 1. Like this, in one page, you will finish up to 410. Understood? Now, what you will write in the next page? After 410, 411. So you will write again the spelling of 400. Then 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Like this. 412, 413. And you will come up to 420. Okay. After 420, now have a look. 421. That is 421. Now you all know the spelling of 20 also. Like this, you will reach up to 430. So you know the spelling. We did the revision also of 30, 40, that spellings. So you will write down up to 500. After this 430, you will begin with 431, 432. Then you will reach 440. Again the next page, 441, 442. You will end up with 450. Same way, 451, 452. Then the last will be 460. Again from 461 you will begin. 462. Then you will reach 470. So these all the number names should be in individual page. Okay. Then after 470, 471, 472, you will write the number names. You will reach up to 480. That is 480. You know the spelling of 80. E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. So after 480, 481, 482, you will reach 489, then 490, N-I-N-E-T-Y. Then 491, the last page will be, yes, from 491, 492, keep on writing. You will reach 499. That is 4. Then the spelling of 100. 90. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. 499. Then what will come? 500. See here. 500. And the spelling is 5 and 100. Okay, you can finish the number names like this. Don't do mistake. And whenever you are writing the number names, children, you will read the numbers properly. Suppose 423. Don't say 423 or 423 like this. If you do like this, you will be writing the number names wrong. Always you will say 423. Then when you will write the number name, automatically you will write the spelling of 400, then 23. So it will come correct. Okay. So like this you will spell out. You will read the numbers loudly and spell the number names, and write like this you will be writing. Okay. Now I will ask you some questions. You will answer. Okay, shall we start? Now tell me, what will come after 425? What I will write here? I will write 426. Okay, so this is correct. Now see, again I am writing 425 and here is the line. So what will come before 425? That is backward counting. What you will write here? 424. Understood? Now suppose the number is 500. What comes before 500? 499. Now suppose the number is 475. What will come after this? 476. Understood? Very good. Now the next question. Be ready for the next question. Okay. Now 419. Now you tell me, this is an even number or odd number? You have studied, no? 419. Now think, it is ending with 9. So it is an odd number. Now again look here, the number is 494. Now it is ending up with 4. So it is an even number. So you remember, no? Odd, even, and before and after also. Now again some questions I will put. Look here, 401, here it is a place, and 431. Now you have to put greater than or smaller. So tell me, what sign I will put? One side it is written 401 and the another side is 431. So which is the greater? Which side I will put the greater sign? So 431 is greater than 401. It is a big number. 431 is a bigger number. The greater sign, it will open its mouth towards 431. Now see, 423. Again here is a place and here it is 499. Which one is bigger? 499 is bigger, is greater than 423. Okay, You all remember? Very good. Shall I rub it? Yes. Now see, here is a worksheet for you all. Write the before and after numbers. So number 1 is 433. So after that, this 433, what will come? What you will write? 434. Very good. Now number 2 question, 498. You will write 499. Then see question 3. The blank space is there and 457 is written. So what will come before 457? Count backward. 456. Now the next one is 469. So what you will write? 468. Now the last question, number 5 is 426 is written. After that what you will write? 427. So you will finish this worksheet. Now in this you have to write the numbers. The first one is written 470. That how you will write here? You will write 470. The next one is 463. So you will write 463. Then the third one is 404. So it will be 404 like this. The next one is 409. So it will be 409 like this. And the last one is 499. 499. So in front of these number names, you have to write the numbers. Is it okay? So this you will do. This is your worksheet. Now let's see what is there in the next page. Oh, now you have to do match the following. See, numbers are written and the number names are written on the another side. You have to draw line. First one is 405. So you have to find out where the number name 405 is there. Can you see? See 405, the first one, you will match like this, 405. Now the next 402, that is 402. You will do the matching like this. After that 401 like this. 499 like this. The last one is 450, that is 450. You can do the matching. Okay. Now see the numbers. You will do match the following. Now see, it is your home assignment. It is your homework. Okay. Now the numbers are there, 409 and 433. So here you will put in the place given greater or smaller or equal sign. So first one, 433 is greater. Now this is your homework. Like this you will finish it. Now the next page, you have to write the number names. First one is being done, 409, that is 409. Like this you will read and write. Second one is 465. So you will write 4 You all know the spelling of 4, then 100, then 65. Okay, understood? Like this you will finish up till 465, then 499, 440, 500, 472. So this is your homework. You will finish it. Now, when you finish all these things, you know, after watching this video, there is a link for your maths activity. You will click on it and there you have to tick the correct options. So here just I will show you what are there in your maths activity and how you will do. Okay, shall we start now? See, maths activity, tick the correct option. Number 1, the number name for 444 is, there 3 number names are given, A, B and C. First one is written 403, 444, 205. Now when you are spelling like this 444, so you will tick here, it will be the correct answer. Now see the next one, what comes after 485? Yes, which one you will tick here? See, 3 answers are given and from that only one is correct. So after 485, 486. Now the next page. What comes before 400? Yes, what will come before 400? See here, 399. Now the number 4 question. You have to see 408 is smaller than 412. Is it true or false? It is smaller or bigger? Yes, it is small. It is true. It is smaller. So it will be true. Now 485 is greater than 400. 485 is greater than 400. Yes, it is true. Okay. Now the next page. Oh, it is not erasing. Now what comes between 453 and 455? You have to search the answer and again you have to put the tick 454. Now question 7 is 475. You search the number and put a tick here 475. Now 327 is an odd number. Is it true or false? It is ending with 7. So it is an odd number, you think? Yes, it is true. Now question 9 and question 10. Which is the even number here? 439 is given, 402 and 411. So even number ends with 2468. So 402 is correct. It is an even number. Now the 10th question, which is the odd number? 489 is given, 412 is given and 450 is given, odd. It will end with 13579. So 489 is the correct answer. Like this, you will finish your maths activity also. Okay? So all have understood the numbers 400 to 500. What you will do? You will write the numbers from 401 to 500. Then you will write the number names. Then you have to do the worksheets, whatever I have explained, and you will do the maths activity and submit. Okay, children. Thank you. Bye.